In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a multi-currency bank account and transfer money using Wise. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Wise homepage. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll want to take a look at the currencies shown there. To add another currency, simply click on the plus sign. This is your gateway to expanding the types of currencies you can hold in your account. Now, go ahead and add a currency. You'll see a prompt that allows you to select from the options available. Once you've made your decision, look for the option that says Open, and click on it. This will guide you to choose the currency that best fits your needs. After selecting the currency, make sure to click on Confirm. This step is crucial as it finalizes which currency you're adding to your account. With your multi-currency account set up, you'll want to explore transferring money. To begin this process, navigate to the Payments section by clicking on the Payments option. Here you'll be presented with various choices, but our focus for now will be on initiating a transfer. Click on Send to start this process. Next, you'll need to choose the country where you want to send your money. Once you've settled on the destination, type in the exact amount you wish to transfer. Precision is key here, so double check to ensure you've entered the correct amount. You'll then find an option to Add Recipient. Proceed by selecting that, and if your recipient is on Wise, you can conveniently find them through the platform. Alternatively, you might need to enter their bank details manually. If you have multiple ways to send money, you might also see a See All Options button. Click this to explore more sending methods, including the ability to pay by email. If you're sending money to someone else, click the option labeled Someone Else. Here you'll need to input the recipient's email and full name. Ensure that this information is accurate to avoid complications down the line. Once done, click on Continue. As you progress, there will be prompted options for you to select the transfer method that suits you best. After making your choice, continue to the instructions. You'll be reminded to click Continue through the next few prompts as you finalize the transaction. When you reach the confirmation page, you'll see an option to indicate that you've made your bank transfer, or if you haven't, you can choose to transfer your money at a later time. Pick the option that applies to your situation. And that's it. You've successfully set up a multi-currency bank account and initiated a money transfer using Wise. Remember, each step is essential to ensuring your transactions go smoothly, so take your time and double-check your selections. Happy transferring!